So today's video is a little bit different. We're at Sky Harbor Airport in Phoenix. We're heading out to San Antonio for Pax South. So I'm gonna try to get some video. This is another thing that I like to do. This is another one of my hobbies. Essentially, I'm a big gamer, and I also stream video games on Mixer, which I'll put my link to my actual Mixer account at the bottom right now. But one of the things that we like to do is Pax South is it's Penny Arcade convention, and what we like to do is we actually like to go and meet up at these conventions, and I get to see my friends online that I don't actually get to see in person all the time. So essentially what we're doing is we meet up at these conventions and have a good time. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit of the convention. It doesn't start until tomorrow, so typically we like to get in Thursday. That way we can kind of meet up and have a good time. But we're on our way right now. My flight is in about an hour, so I'm a little bit early, but we'll get to the gate, and then I'll see you guys when we get to San Antonio. All right, later. All right, guys, we made it to San Antonio. So we're heading right now down to the baggage claim to get our bag. And we're gonna meet up with my buddy Jeff, or Hands is what we call him. And we're gonna get the party started. We gotta get my bag first. So let's go do that, and then we'll jump in an Uber and head over to this hotel to chill. So, all right, guys, we'll see you in a few. So we made it to the hotel. I am waiting on Jeff to come down and scoop me up. I'm gonna put my bag in his room, and I'm actually not staying at this hotel. We're at the Marriott River Center. He's staying here. I am actually at a different hotel, which is actually fairly close, I think like 1 or 2 down. But I'm waiting on Drew, our friend, to get in because I'm staying with him. So I'm waiting on him to come down and scoop me so I can place my bags, and then we can go grab some food. So I'm not that hungry, but you know, I can always eat because I'm fat, see, fat. And so we're gonna basically just goof off today. So I probably won't film much more of the day. This was basically just a travel day. So travel day today, and then tomorrow the convention starts. I will try to get some video of the convention. I don't know what you guys want to see. Normally this convention is super duper small. This is more of a social convention, so I will see what we can film. I don't know exactly what's in there. I know one thing, they do have, my arm was getting tired. They do have, he just came down. So they do have like land stations for gaming and stuff. So hold on. This guy right here, look at this guy right here, dude. Look at this guy right here.
What the hell is this contraption?
So say what's up to YouTube, dude. What's up?
YouTube? Did I make it?
Yeah, you're on it, dude. I'm not gonna cut this out, dude.
I'm calling my mom right now.
He's made it, dude.
Mom.
So guys, stupid. All right, so if you guys want to follow my man, I'm gonna put his Mixer stream right here. Follow him. It's mixer.com/handsoff. He's an awesome streamer, great PUBG player. You guys got to check him out. He's actually one of the first people that I followed on Mixer, and it's been almost a year and a half. He's like a really close friend now. Yeah, I'll put his Mixer right here so you guys can check it out. But we're gonna go grub, and I will probably see you guys tomorrow. And deuces. We'll see you guys later. All right, guys. So we are actually on our way to the convention. I'm staying fairly close, a couple block walks, so we're just gonna walk to the convention right now. It opens, I think, in like 5 to 10 minutes, so there's a lot of construction going on right next to me here, and the construction's for a good cause. So if you guys aren't familiar with San Antonio, there's this really famous building hold on, let me see if I can get it. Right there. You know, the Alamo. So I think they're doing some restoration on some of the walls and stuff. But so we're staying, that's how close we're staying to the Alamo. We're like right around the corner. Trying to get to the convention here before like the mad dash of people try to get into it and get crazy down there. So we're gonna walk down, we're gonna get into the con. Once I get in, I'll give you guys, I'll flip the camera and we'll start recording all the shenanigans that go on. So this is the cool part about PAX. We're right next to the Alamo in San Antonio here at Pax South. It's a lot of fun. This was just day one. So we went out last night and had a few drinks. Probably a few that more than I should have, but had a good time. Got to see everybody, kind of the first night kind of thing. But let's get to the con and we'll go from there. Parts about PAX are that there's literally something here for everyone. If you like tabletop gaming, if you like retro indie games, if you like brand new mega blockbuster titles, there's something here for everyone when it comes to video games and nerd culture. And that's why I love these. They're such a small, intimate show. Everyone has a great time and there's so much to do. There's so many new games to play, so many tabletop games to play. It's such an awesome time. Alright guys, so I'm here at one of my like absolute favorite like smaller brands, Cantrip. Aaron behind me here, he actually helped, you created it, right? Yeah, so he created the brand and I'll show you guys, I'll do a pan of everything, but it's a smaller, more gaming based apparel company and it's freaking awesome. It's really, really cool. My hat is actually from them. I got this at PAX West. But I'm gonna go ahead and pan all this stuff for you guys so you can see what they have, and then I'll put their email address in the link in the bottom of the video so you guys can go there and show them some love, all right? All right, let's check out the stuff.